Hello, my people. Good evening, everybody. What's the apple for your corner? How you dey celebrate the weekend? Hope see you guys dey enjoy yourself like that. So today we get very good topic to discuss, to talk about as we dey treat our mother-in-law. So the question is, how do you treat your mother-in-law? So that is the question. If you have anything to contribute, the number is there that you can call. You can call to contribute your own opinion. So very important. You can still invite friends to watch and contribute his own opinion. So a lot of people always talk about these issues. So when you get married, so how do you treat your mother-in-law? So a lot of things happen. So today I understand that a lot of people never care about their mother-in-law again. So it's not like before. It's not like before that when somebody marry or you are dating, the person will say, I want to go and see my mother-in-law, be close to her, and try to make some good relationship with the mother-in-law. But today now, a lot of people don't want to talk about that anymore. They just want to I've married, me alone with my man, and any other person. Is it right? Is it right? So anything you have to say, you can put your comments below, or you can call, normal call, or you can call on WhatsApp like that. So very important. So we have to discuss about this stuff. So maybe for some of us that is making mistakes, so we'll learn how to correct the mistake like that. So invite friends and share the video. So let's talk. So IDB Fred, I see you. Fred, what do you think about when somebody marry? As you marry now, your wife no dey respect your mom, or your wife saying no fit go greet your mom. So what do you think? What do you fit do, or it insult your mom? Which kind of action you go fit take? So it's a very good topic. So for us to talk about it, and let's see what we can do about this. Your mom, when carry you for 9 months, it suffer for you. It not about you. So because of marriage or because of relationship, the woman will say, no, I no fit go see your mom because your mom too dey stubborn, and your mom no like me, like that. It dey good for us to stay like our mother-in-law. How will they treat her? How will they treat our mother-in-law? We not think say the way we treat our mother-in-law. So if we get children, they'll see treat them like that. So it dey very uncalled for. Sorry to use this English, uncalled for. It dey as in your mom, when he born you, come life, you come marry, then your wife got to tell you say, you know if you go greet your mom, or In of it, allow your mom come greet you for your own house because of the way your mom they harsh, they friendly to ram. Is it right for your wife to treat your mom wrong or insult your mom or you say no see your mom? So what do you think about this video? So what will be your own opinion? Because in those days when I know, when somebody they date woman, the woman would say, man, I want to know your mom. You understand? So you go say you want to know your mom. So from there, it go they force you. Then you go say, okay, no problem, you go see my mom. Then end of the day, you go come go see your mom. You go reach there. If your mom they make farm, it go help your mom, join your mom, do the farm. If your mom they do anything, it go like show love, show caring. So your mom go come say, go say, man, this one a wife material. So from now today now, no, but a lot of people know they talk about I want to go see your mom. You understand? So I want to go see your mom. No, a lot of people know they talk about that again. Instead of that, they say your mom too wicked, your mom too they harsh. But you won't marry you say the woman too they harsh, but you won't marry his son. What do you think? Is that right? And we as a man, or we as if you be woman, your husband, still like your mom, will you still continue? You will still continue marry the same man when you don't like your mom? You know if you want me your mom, if you want me your mom come visit you now. So what do you think? Like that, so because a lot of things they happen. You understand me? So mama not that easy. You understand? So more than like king. When he taking you, when your mom conceive you, he not abort you. It bring you up. He suffer for 9 months. After that 9 months, he still breastfeed you. Not be now when they know they breastfeed people, children now. Maybe feed you for 1 year plus. She not do anything. She won't make sure say make you dey okay. Then even when they say you can't go school, they can't try to give you 1 or 2 things to make sure say you dey okay. Even when they say you can't still mature, they go say they ask you how you dey, go call you ask you. I hope say you dey okay. You go they try to know whether you dey okay, whether you not dey okay. If you still complain say you not dey okay, she go dey worried. So time can't reach now. You can't see if you be man, you can't see woman. If you be woman, you can't see man. When you want marry. So the woman when you want marry, he can't tell you say, if you go stay with your mom, maybe like as normal level. If you go stay with your mom like 1 month, may your mom see how she be. You go say if you go stay with your mom because your mom too dey harsh. You as a man, what do you go do? Or you as a woman, your man no like your mom. What do you think? What do you go do? You go still continue marry because of love or what? So anything where you get to drop your own opinion. So if you still call, if you look up there, the number there to call, you can call on WhatsApp. If you call WhatsApp, if you call normal call, contribute what in your mind. What do you think? Like this, so or how will fit take correct this stuff? Because for me, my own opinion, if I deal with woman, she's supposed to love my mom, no matter what. If my mom dey harsh, as far as say yes, say she dey come marry, we won't marry together, we won't live together. She have to calm down. She have to be here. She have to take anything when it be say she wants see, and she no need to pretend. You understand? So then before we go into anything, because you know they right. Say when you come marry finish, the woman when they bring attitude, you when they bring attitude say, man, your mom, I don't like your mom. Your mom today harsh, she too they complain. But the man, some men go say, I beg he made your their mom go stay one side. If she don't do her own life, she don't live her own lifestyle. Make she go live her own lifestyle. You understand? So it dey right when you go marry, your wife don't respect your mom. What do you think? It dey very right to marry your mom, your wife no dey respect her. You want talk, you go insult your mom, or you want talk, you go fight your mom because of say you don't marry her. So what do you think? Call the number so may you contribute your own contribution, or if you write any comment and share the video, may we correct this thing. So in those days when I know all those 90s, if you see woman want marry, the woman not even dey close to the man like that. He go dey close to the mother-in-law. He go dey help him mother-in-law for one thing. You understand me? So if the mother-in-law want wash clothes, he go go there go help the mother-in-law wash the clothes. Make sure say he cook for the mother-in-law like that. But today now all those things don't happen again. But we dey remember say this, they get one parable when they say what goes around turns around. When we will not forget that. Maybe the way we still treat our mother-in-law, we can't get pikin. The same pikin, and you go see repeat that same thing will still repeat. So if you be man, try your possible best. Love your mother-in-law. If you be woman, love your husband, mama. Take her like your own mother too. Say I'm like your mother. Like anything when you be say yes, when your mother no go like, no do am to her. It no make sense. Because a lot of people they complain, you see, today, right now, so a lot of people will tell you say, I no go fit. May my wife go stay with my mom. What nonsense? For your mother when suffer carry for 9 months because of wait, I don't understand. I love her, be waiting. I've been a Chris, I've been a waiting. What do you think? Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the prayer. What do you think? Vincent, boss, rain fall this way, not too strong. Hey, yeah, Vincent, you say rain fall for your side. That is the Rico one, mama. Your network not too strong, but if you still call this thing that if you still call, may you contribute your own, what you get for your mind like that. So you understand? So more enjoy this song first. I just sing this song for you. Wherever you day, my mama, I just want to say thank you for the things you did do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the prayer for me, the sacrifice for me. Oh yeah, mama, God bless you, oh mama. God bless you, oh mama. God bless you, oh mama. Mr. Paul, still correct. Mama, God bless you, oh mama. God bless you, oh mama. God bless you, oh mama. Mama, you the first one. See the way you hustle for my kids. 9 months for the belly no be easy, but you endure the pain for my sake. One try me fit, mama, you ain't in a God bless you, mama. My brothers and my sister. So this song I plan no I feel like feel your mom. You go feel allow your wife treat your mom wrong. What do you think if your wife they treat your mom wrong? May you think about the stress when your mom suffer for you for 9 months. You carry for 9 months. It not like leave you aside. It not about you. In short, it not about you at all. So it bring you on this life. It make sure say yes, you can't become somebody. So why it be say yes, we can't go turn back because of say yes, say na love. Now love will make us not to like listen to like give deft ear for our mom. Maybe sometimes like this one, our mom go feel they tell us say this woman where you want marry, she no too like her style. You understand so? But some of us go say no. Now wetin dem love, now wetin dem like because of wetin love. But in when you don't dey go inside, you can't understand say wetin your mom dey tell you na real. You can't understand say wetin she dey try talk na real. So wetin you think inside? How we dey treat our mother-in-law? So how we dey treat our mother-in-law? We dey treat our mother-in-law right in a way, or we dey treat am the way we like? So what do you think? What do you think? Drop your comment or you can't call. So for me, I still dey talk my own opinion. I no go allow my say woman when I marry go come tell me say she no like my mom, or she go dey fight with my mom, or if she even do that, the only thing when I feel like forgive the woman, that kind of woman, she have to go lay down and beg my mom, say, mom, sorry. You understand? So for the way she treats her like that. Because if we say okay fine, mo just say am the way e dey go, but mo still remember say we go still get pikin. If we can't get this pikin now, our pikin can't treat us that way. How we go feel? So we need to like make we respect our mother-in-law, especially the women. It's very very important. Like that, it's very very important. If you be woman when you dey watch me today, if you know they treat your mother-in, you know they treat your husband mama, try change your ways. They treat your husband mama because why? You go still born, and when you born, your pikin go still treat you that way. So instead of your pikin go treat you that way, you have to treat your husband mama first in the right way. So when you come become as a mother, as you don't become mother, then your own pikin go treat you very well. I'm not bad. John Jesus, bros, this is life story. Now you be okay. I'm not bad. If you call the number, may you contribute your own. So what do you think? May I play this? Move, they enjoy this music. Enjoy this music. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. For the things you they do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the pray for me, the sacrifice for me. Oh yeah, yeah, mama. God bless you, mama.
dedicate this song to you. Wherever you day, my mama, I just want to say thank you. Our mama, I just sing this song for you. Wherever you day, my mama, I just want to say thank you. For the things you did do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the pray for me, the sacrifice for me. Oh yeah, yeah. I dedicate this.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. About the talk.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Benvenuto nel
Bless you, mama. Be sure mama. I dedicate this song to you.
Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. Never give up.
Contribution, I want to add join with you the talk.
Okay. Did they hear you?
Yeah, okay. So now small contribution I get when I want to join with you the talk. You see, to me, you hear me?
Talk. Did they hear you? Everybody they hear you.
Oh, so to me, now before that question, say if your woman not respect your mother, if whether you feel married that kind of woman or you not go feel married that kind of woman, you know, say loads of persons go feel carry now from beginning.
Yeah.
Now from beginning, I therefore they know load with not feel carry. So you see now when you did that girl from the beginning, the leg we give her against your mother, that would determine how she could treat your mother. If she would treat your mother right, or if she would treat your mother wrong. But as for me, as long this earth is concerned, the only thing where I don't know if you use follow whoever play, even my daddy, I don't know if you use my mommy follow my daddy play. So me, when it comes to say woman, any woman I dey follow, any woman I want marry, my first statement to that woman, and just the way Bible say, make you no serve any other God except Him. That's why I go see tell you say, my mother, I know they use and follow person play. You feel mess with me for any other thing, but when it comes to my mother, as in. I watched one video for Facebook when one guy, or whether now still Europe here.
Yeah.
When the guy, the video that say make people call the wife when they marry, they follow him mother they fight. That man, make I not call a man now. When a woman be because now the leg when he give the woman from the starting. The kind of leg when they give the woman from the starting, now make the woman feel he go feel who up stand for the mother front say they want exchange word.
Yes.
And at the way the guy they treat the mother for a woman present, now make the woman get that God say since our picking they feel they treat her like that, so that means the woman is the mother is of no use. That means the wife will get mad, talk to her. So if you want to make your woman respect your mother, you as the mother or son, you self supposed to respect your mother anywhere your woman.
God bless you.
We missed our brother call. Thank you very much. So somebody be they come and call the person back. Another person be they call. So we hear what our brother talk about. Say, you know, the easy mother take play with anybody. So if any woman not feel respect him mama, mean say yes, say he not feel marry that woman. Say na the leg when he give when the leg when the man give the when the man give the woman, now the woman go follow. And a true word be that. That one are really true. So, what do you think for your own? Say, if you did, you want marry woman, you know, like carry the woman close to your mom, then let the woman know, say, see, this one are my mom. She suffered for me for 9 months. So, I know they use and say joke. So the woman will get her for in mind, say, the husband when I want marry, you know, they joke with him mama. So she have to like follow the footstep of the man. So Oga Terry, they very right, it's true. Now the leg where the man give the woman, actually, like true word. No hear from this caller. Before we hear from another caller, more they enjoy this music. Before we hear from another caller, more they enjoy this music.
I just want to say thank you, our mama. I just sing this song for you. Wherever you day, my mama, I just want to say thank you for the things you did do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the prayer for me, the sacrifice for me. Oh yeah, yeah, mama, God bless you, oh mama. Yeah, be sure oh mama, God bless you, oh mama, mama, yeah, mama. God bless you, oh mama. Yeah, be sure oh mama. God bless you, mama. Mama, you the first one. See the way you hustle for my kiss. 9 months for the belly, no be easy. But you endure the pain for my sake. One try me fit. Woman, yeah, mama, woman, yeah, woman, yeah, you ain't in a woman, yeah. God bless you, oh mama. Let me show you, oh mama. God bless you, oh mama. Mama, yeah, mama. God bless you, oh mama.
So, what are they trying to talk about?
God bless you.
Is they right when you say yes, when woman and man they house? So the woman when you marry, you don't respect your mom. You know they respect your mom. So they tell your mom, say your mom too, they very hard to understand. If you say me go visit your mom, you go say no fit go, not be your mom may marry, or una they house together. Your mom won't come see you, you go say no, like all those kind of things because una don't marry, meaning your mom not fit come on her house because of say una don't marry. So you when they watch me, then what do you think? Is that right? May your wife no respect your mom, so you go support your wife. Say yes, say your mom did wrong, or the things when you say they happen. So when you see things like that, what do you think? What do you feel do concerning things like that? For me, as our brother used to talk, he did right. Say for the beginning, when you start, now how you used to tell your woman concerning your mom, it is very important. Because if you tell your woman, say, this is my mom when I get so, I know this until they joke with anybody, as our brother talk, and are true. So the woman will understand, say, this man when I want marry, so I go fit or not. And it seemed they very good before say yes, say we're going to marry. Move the try it, like take our woman to our mom. Make the mom see whether two of them feel relate together. And you when be girl, you supposed to relate to woman when be say it already born finish. No matter the attitude, no matter what the woman like, as in the woman they stubborn, they difficult to understand. You go bring down yourself. I believe say yes, say only woman when get fear of God, say he get that conscience, say this woman, like I'll sound like my mom. If she send you message, you will try and rush do the message. Or if she want cook, you tell her say make she leave the food, you fit cook her, you help her cook her, or her clothes, you help her pack her clothes, normal level as it be before. You will wash the clothes for her. So anything when she want to, you will try to support her. But in the other way around, people don't understand. Say when woman they close to the man mama. If anyone get problem, you don't need to like call anybody, call friends. You call the boy mama. Say, mommy, so what your son they do? I don't like him because of that relationship. When you say you and the woman with the mama get, you go tell you say my daughter. No worry, things go dey okay. Then the next thing you go carry the woman, the mama inside go carry phone call him son. My son, what did happen now? Maybe the man go dey say the way the woman they do, the woman too stubborn. She they do this, she they do that. You go say the mama go come like talk to him son. You go say my son, not be so. My son, calm down. You understand me so? Not be like that. He go talk to his son. You discover say that problem with your end. That problem. The man mama, he go just solve that issue. Or if the man when you marry, it bring attitude for us. Because say you dey very close to him mama. The man of it do rubbish because you don't get any business with him. You don't get any business with your husband. So maybe your husband they misbehave. You want to talk, he beats you. You need to talk to her. Now just to call him mama. Him mama go talk to her. You not get any man when him mama go carry phone call. My son, stop this thing. When the man not go ever listen. You don't get any man when you say, as if mama don't call her for phone, say, I beg you, leave your wife alone. Treat her well. You understand? So, before you know, you cause you say yes, say the man go come they change from your attitude. If the man they very stubborn before, the man they do something wrong, he go come they try to like put things in a way. Because why? The woman gets good relationship with the man mama. It is very good. So this one so now skills. This one so now idea. So when it be say yes, when you marry, not just leave your mother-in-law alone. You as a woman be close to her. You understand? So when you dey close to am, you don't get how things go get as it go be. You don't need to call person from outside. We call the settle now. Now only she fit just talk to his son. Instantly everything done dey okay. So peace go dey. You understand? So but no we not dey say am say the mother-in-law, the woman will say your mama na winch, your mama no fit come here, your mama your mama do that, your mama do this like that. No. If you see you marry a woman like that, you let her know say no, you know they right. You know they right. Me no try such thing like that. And I believe that when you humble yourself as a woman, Even though when you say the woman able to try to insult you, you don't humble yourself for that woman. You not get as it go be when the woman don't ever talk good about you. Or you dey complain too much, say the woman too dey send you message. When you dey go there, you know they get peace. Or you get issues with your husband. You don't get anything, you say okay, no problem. What you did there be say you don't get anything to talk. The highest thing when you be say you go do. I dey see women in those days, I see the talker. In those days, I dey see women, if they get problem with their husband, they not they follow the man they talk too much. They will just carry their bag, put one or two cloths. Oh yeah, they'll just go the man, mama house. They'll just go the man, mama house. They'll just go stay there. Mommy, see what your son they do. Your son they maltreat me bad. Your son they do like this. I go say, my son, oh, sorry my dear. You understand? So he go calm you down. Then the next thing go come send for the woman will come send for his son. As he send for his son, you call the ask his son, say, what did they do you now? Why you behave like this one? Why you treat her bad? Not treat her bad. You don't do, not be so. You understand? So somebody quarrel the day like that, all this one or two things. Like that, go come talk to his son. His son, instantly as they talk to his son they take him. Because why? That love they will be say yes. The woman suffer for her for so long. For 9 months, the woman carry her for belle, no work. That day when he want deliver, the pain when he passed through, she passed through so pains. After that, the woman say makes some sacrifice for the son. So he not get man when he be say go come he go say yes, go listen to him mom. So the women, we will try to change our attitude. So we will try to change our ways. They try your possible best. If your mother-in-law get the way they do, not follow them the way they do. Now patient. Follow them in a way. If you follow them in a way, if she not feel like you well, but because of the way you they do things with them, you the assist them, you the help them, you the call on time to time, the woman will change. He will tell you say if you don't come here from me, now she go call the acts of you like that. Say I don't want to hear from this my wife, like all the stuff like that. So she go call the try one, ask you what did they happen, hope say you dey okay, like that. So more look into these things. More carry the same mind back. In those days when we say yes, in those days when we say when man want go marry woman, you go feel say he want marry the woman go feel say or maybe travel runs cost come. The man will come say I want travel with my wife or all this kind of stuff like that. So the woman will say okay, no problem now. Might go stay with momsy now, all those kind of something. He go get that love to go there and he go relax where to stay with them. Because why? They cooperate together. That relationship they together. But if we say quarrel on the day, we don't want like see our mother-in-law for eye. It no make sense. But more will not forget say yes. Children they come up like that. So when it be say yes, end of the day, those children they will constantly do the person what he do another person like that. So what do you think? So if you think say it dey right, say me if you marry, your wife no fit go visit your mom no fit come visit you now. So if you call, if you put your comment there, or you be woman, you get what they pepper you for body concerning things like this. So if you still contribute, talk your mind like that. More than enjoy this song like that.
I dedicate this song to you. Wherever you day, day, my mama, I just want to say thank you. Our mama, I just sing this song for you. Wherever you day, my mama, I just want to say thank you. For the things you did do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the prayer for me. The sacrifice for me.
If you contribute as the song they play, through writing or through call,
God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. Mama, you the first one. See the way you hustle for my kids. 9 months for the belly no be easy, but you endure the pain for my sake. One try me fake, mama, you ain't in a God bless you, mama. Let me sure, mama. God bless you, mama. Mama, God bless you, mama. Let me sure, mama. God bless you, mama. For the things you they do for me, for the blessings you rain on me. Sometimes I lose my way, but you still the prayer for me, the sacrifice for me. Oh yeah, yeah, mama, mama, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama. God bless you, mama.
So,
I dedicate this song
my
to
people,
you.
so what do I think? So if you drop your comments there, what do you think about this video concerning how you dey treat your mother-in-law? You dey treat your mother-in-law right, or you dey beat am, or you dey treat am good? So is dey very good as a woman treat the man mama very well. Make your own pikin when be say you can't go get, end of the day the same thing not can go happen like that. So because wetin person do today, e dey wait for am tomorrow like that. So e dey very good to like make we do the right thing at the right time like that. So so the thing be, because no reason say yes 9 months, it not be 9 days. The sacrifice when the mom go still when she take bring you out, so like that, you know they right. So when we come say you come marry, the man no dey treat the man no dey treat your mama right, or you be woman when be say you know dey treat your husband mama right. So we will try to change our attitude, like put things right like that. So I don't get much to talk about, so that I can't talk about. So I love you guys. Good night.